Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Stuart from the Sebo shop at Manchester Vacs. If you have a Sebo vacuum cleaner already, you've invested in one of the best vacuums that your money can buy. Many people now are moving over from Dyson to Sebo vacuums, and other people keep a cordless Dyson machine as a secondary vacuum also. One of the things that can be said for Dyson is that over the years they have made some very good tools. The only complaint that we ever hear from Sebo customers is that the original Sebo 3-piece toolkit, although perfectly functional, is rather basic and nothing else fits a Sebo. But what if you could use all your old Dyson tools with your Sebo? Now you can. Our exclusive 4-piece adapter set allows pretty much any Dyson tool to be used with any Sebo vacuum cleaner. Let me show you. The first adapter here fits your Sebo like this and takes it down to a 32mm size. This fits all the early Dyson tools, DC01, DC04, DC07, DC14, fits other tools like Henry, like Kirby. It's a very versatile fitting. The second adapter in the set, many of you will be familiar with the release button here. There's a great many Dyson tools from a lot of models that have this tool fitting. DC24, DC25, DC40, DC41, V6, all use this type of tool. You can use, for example, the groom tool with this, the dusting tool, the anti-tangle turbine tool. There's a lot of different tools you can use with the second adapter in the set. The third adapter in the set allows you to use tools from the V7, V8, V10 and V11 with your Sebo. Tools such as the mattress tool there. Also, if you have one of the hoses, you can get yourself a little extra stretch on top of your Sebo extension hose using the adapter. This will fit any V7, V8, V10 or V11 tool that hasn't got electrical contacts on. The final adapter in the set gives you compatibility for tools from machines such as the UP15 light ball, the CY26 big ball and the Animal 2. This is the very latest tool fitting that's found on the brand new Dyson machines. If you're in the UK, you'll find the adapters a very good value on our own site, seboshop.co.uk. We're also very competitive on Sebo bags, service boxes, other tools, accessories, belts, extension hoses and anything else you're likely to need for your Sebo. You'll find the link for that down below. If you're an Amazon customer, you can also down below find the link to the listing on Amazon. And if you're an eBay customer, you can down below find the link to the listing on eBay. If you're overseas, the eBay listing offers not only multi-buy discounts, but it offers tracked international shipping. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and follow us to see our updates and new content. If you have any questions, you can use the comment box down below, or better, if you go to seboshop.co.uk, use the contact us button and send us an email with any other questions you may have. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.